Hi, well, welcome. Nathan Goldstein, Vested Business Brokers. What we do is we help people buy and sell profitable, privately held businesses. It sounds a little complex, right? What are you? People ask me all the time, are you a real estate broker? Are you an investment banker? Are you a stockbroker? I think we're a combination of all three. You know, what we do is we search the continental United States for people who have built outstanding businesses that would like to sell their business. And you'd be surprised. Every entrepreneur who starts a business starts it. The day he starts it, he's thinking about his exit plan. He starts the business saying, I'm going to be rich owning this business. And many fail. But if they last, 4, 5, 6 years, and they have this track record, then they're able to be sold. And we saw that as a huge opportunity. It was like a light bulb went off in our heads. And we said, geez, there are so many people out there that built these companies, but nobody's telling these people's story. Like nobody knows that this guy built this business in the back of a warehouse that makes $500,000 a year. And the guy who built the business didn't even know that there was a market for somebody who wanted to buy it. So what we did is we created this electronic marketplace that we profile buyers based on what they're looking for, how much money they have, geographically where they want to be, and what their background is. And then we put them together with the guy who potentially wants to sell his business. And if it's a fit, we get a pretty hefty commission. The average commission in our house is anything under $1 million is approximately 12%. So if you sold a $1 million business, you make $120,000 gross, and then we have a broker split that we share with the brokers. So the commissions are huge in our business. Not saying that you're restricted to doing only $1 million deals. You could do smaller deals, $400,000 or $500,000 deals, and you could also do larger deals. We just closed a transaction for north of $10 million. So you have the opportunity to do that if you'd like. And we work very hard, but we love what we do. We have a lot of fun doing it. And nobody's born a business broker. You have to be trained. And we have in our corporate office a world-class staff that are trained to support new brokers who want to learn this business, and we're going to train you on how to be a broker. My wife, Marie Goldstein, she is devoted, I would say 80% of her time, her breathing time on this earth, to train and teach people this business. Because if you look at our business, we've touched so many lives. Not only our brokers, right, but the people who bought businesses from us, the people who now will be able to feed their families, the people who now will be able to send their kids to college, the people who now have that big burden of not knowing where the money's coming from off their back because they own a business. Those are the people that we helped. And if you're a type of a person who would like to help people, and you think you have the ability to do this business, if you have a little bit, if you could communicate and you could attach an email and you could, you're not afraid to prospect a little bit, we're going to give you the skill, you're going to have the will, and we are going to be a world-class team together. And we have some openings in a bunch of different markets. We're aggressively growing. Our goal is by the end of this year to get to 300 brokers, and by 2012, 1,000. So, I wish you much luck. If you need any help, give me a holler. If not, our recruiting professionals, there's a form on the site if you want further information. Our recruiting professionals will come to you and talk to you about joining the firm. We don't take everybody, so I just want you to know you have to have the skills that we're looking for. But if you have the skill and you have the will, we surely have the platform for you, and I wish you a lot of luck.